Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Emily, Princess Emily. Sheesh, I have my thing. My mom was with somebody else, but I need to clean my room. Period. Stripe. So I said period on stripe, but it's real. Oops. I need to bring the charger with me, so yeah. Cause mine's on 20. Ooh, 20. 21. I'm trying to eat it. Take. Bruh. I don't have no TikTok. My mama do. I can't use her account. So yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, let's open it. Hello? Never mind. See, let me show you. It's a mess. But not my bed. Not my bed. So, y'all gonna see me clean my room. Y'all gonna see me clean my room. I can't fast forward it because I don't know. Wait. A little song or something. I don't know. It can keep it quiet. Get my video up. Put her on the bed. Who eats these? I don't eat them. So yeah. Blow pop. There you go. Make sure I have this book because this book is from school and it is special because look in the back. My dog chewed it up. And it was about this person that was on in our school. Him only. Like, bruh, I didn't even get a no for him. Dang! Let's put it right here. It's not making anything. That means this? Whoever does this? Like, why you do that? Why you do that? That's real bad, bro. Now I gotta throw this my favorite puppet, but I got another puppet. Oh. This is why I almost just get dried up. Like, oh, this can be squishy. It was slime, but now it's a squishy. I keep this. There you go. Right there. Needles here. Just let it go. And make sure you like and comment and share and copy link. I mean, not copy link. I don't know. I can't do that. That's gonna break my tap. But one time, I had that chandelier, and that, and the thing fall like that. Then, my chandelier broke. It was my favorite chandelier that had all mermaids. I have a mermaid thing on. I used to have my poor nails. Poor nails. But make sure you won't have this because it hurts you when you kick it. You might hurt yourself. You do. But I like this. It's kind of good. It smells good. Okay, there you go. Hey. I do have this. I didn't show you the thing, so stop. Let me show you. I'm only showing you this once. But y'all better not cheat. Because that's y'all fault and I'm not giving nothing. Good thing I have remote control. And this is my Mateo Gershon that I boosted. Checking in my mushroom. Mateo Gershon. Hers that she says take to get the girl. And I'm like, I don't know. But this is my Mateo girl purse. They when I always have a dress on, I will have this. Make sure. Every time I burp, it happens. Okay. My ears healing up. I hurt my ear. Maybe next time you can see it. We got this bed where you can snuggle. Oh, it's just fine. What is a taxi? Okay. Oh, I forgot my stuff in now. This is even my Barbie doll. I don't play with Barbie dolls anymore. This is my stuffed animal. I used to call it Daisy, but I don't call it no name. It's just, I should call it stuffed animal. Oh, it's just neat. I had to get my socks. I had my socks everywhere last time. I had my socks everywhere because I had to find socks that matches. That's why have a closet. And that. So, yeah. Oh, jeez. And this is my puppet that I love. It's, I forgot what name is. I forgot. But this is my puppet that I love. So I will put it right there, and the squishy. But it's really. Oh, pull that. Make sure you can pull that. See? No slime. No nothing. Okay. It can stick too. But go ahead. Now, I'm gonna look at my room. And that's my TV. So, what was that? I'll be right back. You better stay there. I'ma beat you up. This spider gonna beat you up. Okay, I'm back. But I still got eyes on you. And sometimes, the good days are this. How do you? Oh, there you go. Sorry, y'all. But my stuff is dusty clean. So yeah, I always play with these. I got an idea what to do. I got an idea. So you know, you got this old thing. Wait, this old thing. So I saw this on my mom's phone. So you gotta put this. Wait. Put the door handle on it. Make sure you have the door. Make sure you put the door handle on this. Actually, I want to do this one. I'll tell you when I did it. This way. 5 seconds later. I was just. Sorry, y'all. If y'all waiting too long. I never can. I never. Make sure you put the door in there. Unlock. Yep, unlock. Okay, that was a problem. I thought it was gonna come out good. Dang, but it didn't. I think I can show you. Wait, I got it. Okay, so you got this? Well, you don't need to. Close the door. And lock it. Then, yeah, you can get out. See, I was just playing. Unlock the door.